Hi, guys. Today, we will show you how to install almost any extension for stable Edge on HyperOS. There are three main ways of doing this. One of which is simply installing from Edge's built-in extensions page, which allows you to install Android extensions. This is of course self-explanatory and hence will not be discussed here. The second way involves using a Windows machine and USB connection, which will allow us to install any extension from the Edge add-on store. This has all Android extensions, which are all actually in a special collection. Here's how you do it. First, go to the extensions management page on the HyperOS device. Now, on Edge on Windows, head over to edge://inspect. Connect the two devices via a data transfer USB cable. When prompted to allow USB debugging on HyperOS, make sure to accept. Now, wait for Edge on Windows to find your HyperOS device. It will show your device when loaded. Now, tap the inspect button underneath the edge-hybrid-component.microsoft.com/extension-hub entry. In this new window, if you aren't already in the console tab, switch to it. In the console, paste the command which has been left in the description, replacing ID with the extensions ID. An extensions ID can be found from the Edge add-on store. In this example, we will install RoPro. The ID is the string of letters immediately after the final / in the extensions add-on store URL. Once you have replaced ID with the extensions ID, hit enter to run the command. A prompt to install the extension will now shortly appear on HyperOS. Now, just continue the installation process as you would with any other Android extension. And just like that, you're done. The third method will allow you to install extensions from your local storage in the .crx format. This is how we do it. If you haven't already, install Activity Launcher. It can be found in F-Droid. Now, open Activity Launcher and give it a moment to load. Tap the search icon in the top right and enter CRX. Tap Edge. Tap Extension installed by CRX Activity. Tap Launch Activity as root. Tap the blank blue button in the top left. Now, using the file picker, choose the desired extension. We will demonstrate with the pStream extension. Tap OK and wait for the installation pop-up to appear. At this point, you can once again continue the installation process as you would for any Android extension. And we're done. This third method does require root access but can apparently be achieved via Shizuku. Furthermore, extensions installed via the first two methods will automatically update, but those installed from a .crx file will not. For the third method, you must manually install each update from the new .crx file. Also, the second method probably works with operating systems other than Windows. While the ability to install .crx extensions may not seem that useful, this is in fact a standard format for the Chromium engine which most browsers run on. So, with the help of CRX Downloader or Zip, you can install extensions even from the Chrome Web Store without the need to use Google Chrome. Job. Goodbye. Till next time, #Vada forever.